Hey guys, this is Edward Stanley, aka Simple Graphics. So I've been doing promo design recently, and I've decided to make one as a video. So this is a paid design. Though I don't usually do paid design on tutorials, but I decided to use this and also a way to promote my client's business. So this is a gadget brand. I think I did the brand identity design and everything that comes, with it. So I'm also working as their designer. So he reached out to me again that he needs designs for a promo, Christmas promo, and there was no write up, but I have to form write up. So I just have to look for things to work out this tutorial. So I've made some designs for him, and let me show you one of them. So this is the one of the design made for him, which you can see it on my channel. You can check it out on Instagram. You can see it on TikTok if you are there. So guys, if you are just joining us on this channel, please do it to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So whatever you want me to talk about in the design video, you can as well put them on the comment section so I can work on it. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do this design. It looks so crowded, but it's a bit simple to work on. So the first thing first, I want to clear everything I need design, and I'm going to start from afresh. So I'm going to clean all, and so the first thing was to set the size. Image size should be 4 by 5. Although I used the square size before, but I decided to use 4 by 5 in this design. So first I want to go with the logo so I can pick the brand color from it. So this is the logo I designed for him. So I'm going to work with this, and I like using black white background for his designs. So another thing I would do is I want to import the design. I want to import it so I can just place the arrangement of each of the things I'm working on. Okay, reset. Alright, so I'm going to make it full the screen. So the reason I'm putting this is just for me to be able to balance the write-ups, the logo, on where it's supposed to be. So this is the logo, and this is just it. I think I got the size already. Alright, so I'm just going to use this. So the next thing I did is to impute the Christmas cap I added. So this is just it. Okay, it, and make it small so it should be as if someone is putting on the cap. So this is just it. I think I need to reduce it. Okay, so this is good, and I'm going to pin it. So I'm going to put my write up, which is Christmas. Okay, my recording is actually blocking this. So I'm going to change the font to this. College, this font. You can use the bold one there. Increase the size. So I want to impute this design, so I'll just know the size, and then this is it. I'm going to increase it a bit, so that's just it. So I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to add promo. So this, I use small data promo. So I'm going to increase it to, this is just it. So I'm just going to pick the color. I use this red color, and then for the Christmas I'm going to lock them. For the Christmas I use the blue for the brand color. So another thing I did was to put the next right up on all phones and gadgets. All phones, gadgets. So and then I'm going to choose Montserrat boot. So I'm just going to go to size, reduce the size. I think 30 is enough. 30. So I'm going to take it down and use the other color, the blue color. So the reason is just to differentiate the colors. So I want to put in my image. Excuse me. So I'm going to put in my image, which is this. So it's just this. So I got this image from Pinterest, and I love the picture because of the iPhone 17 that is there. So it's practically a recent picture. So I'm going to lock that, then I'm going to impute this 10% discount. So this is just a PNG I did when I was working on the first design on Photoshop. So I just have to export it as a PNG, then I'm going to lock it. So the next thing is supposed to be this. 18th. December 2025 to 5th January 2020. So I just add it here. I'll change the font to Montserrat bold. So I'll use the size. That's just the next thing. So I'm just showing you practically how I did this, and so what I need to do now is to hide this. I'm going to show you how I did the promo sign. I will hide this, and I'm going to add a shape here, and then the shape is going to be this blue color. So practically the design is just plain, but I made it, made it lively by adding those Christmas stuff. So I'll put in red color, and then I added the phone number. I think I saved that here. Phone number. So this is just it. So for this phone number, I went with Montserrat. See, I'm using just 2 fonts, and these 2 fonts at the front. If you remember our font that turns into an icon, so this is just what I use to make it smaller. Duplicated it, and then I type in the address. I think I saved that too. Address. Okay. So what I did in this video was to make it smaller. Three, 5. It's okay. So went to Montserrat, medium, and then I changed this address to bold, just to differentiate between both of them. Change the color to white, not that white, this white. So another thing I did was to add a shape to this place, something that will actually make this address balance with this side. So I made this. I'm going to take the shape down to back of the phone number, and I'm going to lock them. So for this phone number, I'm just practically going to put it on the middle, change the color to the blue. So another thing I did, so I want to work on this promo. Okay, the first thing is to duplicate this Christmas cap, and then increase it, and then I'm going to flip it to the other side. So I just went to 3D rotation, and then this Y axis, I'll just flip it to the right and okay. So putting it like this. So we don't want it to be oversized, so I'm just going to reduce again. I think we're good to go. So for the promo itself, the icon, I'm going to lock every other thing, and I'm going to go to stroke and add a white stroke, and then I'm going to add a shadow. If it's Photoshop, use drop shadow. So I'm going to pick this color. So what I did with this color is just to reduce the opacity, leaving the color in black. And then I'm going to still reduce the opacity. Then this blur, I reduce it first of all, and then I increase the Y and X offset. Something like this is cool. Okay, so I went back to the blur and I increased the blur. So that's just what I did. So I think the other thing there was to add the social media icon, which is here. Social media icon, which is this, and I'll make it smaller. So I'm going to add a shape like this, and I'm going to reduce the opacity of the field. then I'm going to increase the stroke, and then I'll increase my radius to something like this. This 1/4 should be fine, the stroke, and then change the color to the blue. So just like this, we've gotten that. And I usually use the dot, but I prefer this here. So the last thing I did was to put a flower. So for this flower, just flip it here, this place, just flip it to the right, make it smaller, and add it to the design. So that's just that. Then another flower, this one, I took it up and just like that. So I duplicated it and then I rotated it, make it vertical, and then just added to the side. So practically we are done with our Christmas promo design. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Please do it to like if you've not liked. See you guys in the next video.